In July of this year, Samsung is anticipated to introduce new foldable phones. Fans are anticipating that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 would be significant improvements in every aspect because the previous year's update was minimal. The most recent rumor focuses on the Galaxy Z Fold 7's folded thickness, which is a crucial factor in assessing foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 would be the world's thinnest foldable phone if the price rumors are true. The Oppo Find N5 now holds the record for the thinnest book-style folding phone, but there are rumors that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be 8.2mm thin overall, with a 0.7mm reduction when folded shut. Additionally, it would be thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is more than 30% thinner when folded, measuring 12.1mm. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 would be in a class of its own thanks to this amazing accomplishment. The 8.2mm thickness is directly at odds with earlier speculations that predicted a far more reasonable 9.5mm thickness for a folded Galaxy Z Fold 7. We are now unsure of how Samsung intends to achieve such a large price decrease without compromising essential features that make the Z Fold series a true flagship. This is something that many fans of the Galaxy Z Fold series will be hoping will happen. It may be Samsung's final opportunity to bring the device's price down to more affordable levels, and the series' final opportunity to regain its market share. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.